Welcome to RenEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. We're all too familiar with the relentless surge in our monthly utility bills. If you've experienced this and thought about alternatives to traditional energy sources, you're not alone. Today, we'd like to explore a solution that is not only environmentally friendly but can also protect you from the constant inflationary increases in your energy costs: solar energy. The rising tide of utility costs. To understand the potential financial benefits of solar power, it's crucial to look at the historical trend of traditional utility costs. Year after year, we see our electricity bills climbing. This increase is due to several factors, such as inflation, the escalating price of raw materials, operational costs, changes in regulatory standards, and fluctuations in supply and demand dynamics. Over the past decade, the national average increase in electricity prices has been around 2.2% per year, according to the U.S. Energy Information Administration. If this trend continues, the cost of powering our homes will only become more burdensome. This is where solar energy enters the picture. Solar power as a hedge against inflation. Switching to solar energy is an effective way to insulate yourself from rising energy costs. Solar panels convert the sun's free and abundant energy into electricity, meaning your reliance on paid electricity sources drastically decreases. After your initial investment, you're generating your own power, so you're far less affected by utility price increases. Imagine a scenario where, instead of your utility costs continuing to climb year over year, they become largely fixed. With solar power, this is possible. Following the initial cost of solar panel installation, the energy your system generates is essentially free. You'll know precisely what your energy expenses will be each month, year, or even over the next 2 decades. This price stability offers a significant hedge against inflation. More than just savings, generating revenue with solar power. Beyond the savings from generating your own electricity, solar panels can sometimes produce more electricity than you consume, particularly during peak sunlight hours. Many areas have a system in place known as net metering, where you can sell this excess energy back to the grid. Under net metering, every kilowatt-hour of excess solar electricity your system produces is sent back into the grid, spinning your electric meter backward and giving you a credit against what electricity you consume at night or other periods when your system isn't producing electricity. This can result in some months where your energy costs are not just reduced, but actually negative. Increasing home value with solar panels. Adding solar panels to your home doesn't just save or even make you money on your energy bills. It's also an investment in the value of your home itself. As utility costs continue to rise, a home with a fixed, and potentially very low, energy cost will be increasingly desirable. According to research from the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, homes with solar panels sell 20% faster and for 17% more money. If you ever decide to sell your home, your investment in solar panels could yield a significant return. Government incentives and tax breaks. There are additional financial incentives to install solar panels. Many governments, recognizing the environmental benefits of renewable energy, offer various grants, incentives, or tax breaks for installing solar panels. For instance, the Federal Solar Tax Credit, also known as the Investment Tax Credit, ITC, allows you to deduct 30% of the cost of installing a solar energy system from your federal taxes. These incentives can help offset the initial cost of your investment, making solar power even more financially beneficial. An investment in our planet's future. Above and beyond the financial benefits, investing in solar energy is an investment in our planet. Solar energy is a clean, renewable resource that significantly reduces our reliance on fossil fuels, which are the primary source of greenhouse gases. By choosing solar, you're playing an active role in combating climate change and contributing to a more sustainable future. In conclusion, solar energy offers a powerful hedge against rising energy costs, providing stable and predictable energy costs for decades. Beyond the financial aspects, the environmental benefits make the investment in solar power a win-win decision. As we move toward a future of increasing energy costs and an urgent need for carbon reduction, there's never been a better time to consider harnessing the power of the sun. Ready to go solar? Discover the power with ADT Solar. Ready to make the switch and invest in a more sustainable, cost-effective future? Discover the power of solar energy with ADT Solar. ADT Solar offers a range of services including solar installation, battery backup options, federal tax credits, certified Tesla Powerwall installation, roof replacement, and free energy efficiency home upgrades. You don't have to navigate the transition alone. ADT Solar is here to guide you every step of the way, from understanding the benefits and savings of going solar to managing the installation and ongoing maintenance. To learn more about going solar with ADT Solar, click the following link. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.